Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. Check this out, 1955 Buick Century, and yeah, that's an LS, and wait till you see, I'll show you the engine more, but so this I shot at the Rustoberfest, and I shot this car last year briefly. The guy that owns it was driving out, and then this year, unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch him, but this car is so tricked out. It's such a badass car. I had to shoot it, and it just got perfect patina there. You can see the Century badging, great looking wheel and tire setup, and there's Jesus saying, "Do a burnout. How you doing?" So great looking car, and I'll tell you how you know it's a 55. Yeah, the license plate's a 55, but check out, it's got the well, wait till we get to the front. You can see the tabs to open the hood, open the trunk. Right there, and then the LS is jammed in there, and then you see that small light below the headlight. That's the 55 had that, then 56 didn't, and then 57 had that split back window, so it was actually three windows in the back. And I shot an Oldsmobile, a 57 Oldsmobile, great looking car. So if you're looking for a 57 Oldsmobile in my list of cars, they're just, this car is such a badass car. I wish I could have spoken and mic'd up the owner. But just a great looking patina and car. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll put some information below about the 55, but there's not much original about this other than the exterior sheet metal and badging, but just badass, just dripping with badass. Make your list on the deck lid when you're rebuilding.